Hey guys, Erica here with Best Contracting. Today we're following Mike on a 19-point home inspection. We go through this checklist for every home that we inspect and make sure we thoroughly go over everything on the roof that either passes or fails so we can go over everything with the homeowner. Here you see Mike taking a look around up on the roof, going through his checklist and making notes of everything that he finds. He takes some measurements so he can give the homeowner a price estimate if they decide to move forward with the repairs or replacement. We take lots of pictures because we upload them to our portal, so we always have access to them and then we can go over them with the homeowner. Here Mike is documenting all of the information that he found, uploading all of the photos. This is our straightforward pricing guide and it clearly lays out all pricing options for our customers. Here Mike is going over everything with the homeowner and then they give them the option to move forward or not. And that wraps up our inspection.